good morning. How are you today? Okay, Hamdan. What are you wearing today? Red dress. Because today is Red Day. Very good. What did you brought today? Can you show it to your friends? What is that? What is that? Car. What is the color? Red. Can you give it to teacher? Then, what else do you have there? What else do you have there? What's that? Game. Very good. What else? What is that? What? Remote. Very good, Hamdan. Next. What is that? Police car. And the color is?